Today I'll be switching my wheel covers. As you guys can see, one of them is missing a emblem or the Tesla logo. My car just locked. But anyways, I'm gonna be switching out to a different wheel covers thanks to my friends from Tesstudio. So if you're interested on purchasing any wheel covers or any accessories for your Tesla, make sure you use my code TESLAED to get 20% off on any accessory for your Tesla. But anyways, let's go ahead and check out the new wheel covers that I'm going to be installing, and we'll see how they look. Let's go. And as you guys can see, these are the ones that I had, or that I have right now, which are nice. But now this one right here, I don't know what happened, but I'm missing the whole cap and the emblem, the Tesla emblem. So we're gonna replace them, and I already have them. Alright, so I'm gonna show you what comes inside the box real quick. This is my old one right here. I just took it out. Just this one. This is how it looks. But yeah, this is my old one that has a Tesla emblem in the middle. And these are gonna be the new ones that I'm gonna be installing. And look at that, they look pretty cool. They do come with, you know, the Tesla logos, or they come with the plain circle as well if you just want black, or the Tesla logo. So whatever you want to do. I already went and installed the Tesla logo for mine, and I also they come with instructions, so it tells you exactly what to do with the tape. It comes with this like sponge looking tape that you're gonna be adding all around the side right here, and I already went ahead and did that just to cut some time. So I'm gonna do that to all 4 of them, and then we're gonna install them and let's see how it looks. But yeah, let's go. Install it. Make sure that you look out for the valve side through here. Make sure that you keep that in mind when you're putting it on. Easy as that. And as you guys can see, I have the Tesla logo. It looks pretty cool. There you go. Easy as that. Alright, so I have installed all 4 of them. Look at that. Nice. All 4 of them ready to install. There's a fly right here. Get out of the way. Look at that. Sick. Let me know what you think in the comments. Also, if you want to buy this wheel covers or any accessory for your Tesla, make sure you use my discount code TESLAED to get 20% off on your next purchase. Look at that. Nice. Really liking the all black.
Na festa do fim de semana, só um rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto. Passo bem solto. Passo bem solto. Na festa do fim de semana.